was very sick and had to have medications for afterwards. Anyways, so this is, like I said, a week before graduation. And then she did ultimately get better. And, she, then John handed her, so anyways, I just kind of feel like she was still in school, that he should be taking care of her.
So thank you, Ms. Wanzer. Hope turned 18 on April 4th,
Yes,
and the hospitalization was middle of May, I believe, the 15th.
middle of May, and she was still in high school. Yes.
Okay. And the temporary child support order, I saw that the child support order related to uninsured medical expenses was dated December 14th of 2012. So that's the document that I'm looking at. Is that the same document you're looking at that relates to uninsured medical expenses?
I'm unaware about any. Yeah, I think so, but there was the child support was completely stricken.
I don't see that order of 2012 was ever stricken, so it's still in effect.
All I know is that there was never any child support. John had waived it. We had decided together that we had waived it. Also, and
is there an order that says that child support was waived?
No, we did it privately.
Okay. All right.
With support enforcement.
Okay. All right. And then let me ask you, looking at that temporary child support order from December of 2012, it says that there's a division of responsibility that Ms. Wanzer would pay 31% and Mr. Miranda would pay 69%, and that order did not necessarily contemplate continuing obligations past the age 18, except for post-secondary education, where it specifically said that provision was reserved for the future. So if my understanding, and assuming that order is still in effect, there's not an explicit provision that says that past age 18, the uninsured medical expense is obligatory on both parties. What's your response to that? Can you help me understand your?
Well, my response to that is that she was still in primary, she was still in high school. So if you're going to extend it through secondary school, wouldn't it? I mean, doesn't that apply through high school?
Well, the one specific thing that said that was reserved for future ruling would be post-secondary support, post-secondary schooling. So that was reserved. So there's no explicit mention of it at that time. So the other question is the billing statement that you submitted that lists, the insurance coverage and the amount owing, says the responsible party is Hope Miranda. What's your comment on that?
Because she, of course, was the patient, so they sent it to her.
Okay.
It's under John's insurance, of course.
Okay. All right. All right. Very good. What other information do you want to share about your motions for contempt?
Well, just that, that he has stated in the